Streamlit versus NiceGUI. Choosing the right Python UI framework can transform how you build interactive web apps without complex front-end coding. Streamlit offers simplicity and speed, while NiceGUI emphasizes flexibility and modern UI components. Streamlit and NiceGUI are popular Python frameworks for creating web interfaces. Streamlit focuses on fast, declarative app building with minimal setup. NiceGUI provides a more customizable approach with modern UI elements and event-driven design. The core difference lies in simplicity versus flexibility. Streamlit is an open-source Python framework designed to make building data apps quick and straightforward. It works by letting developers write Python scripts that automatically generate interactive web apps without needing HTML, CSS, or JavaScript knowledge. Streamlit's strength is its simplicity. You write Python code, and Streamlit handles the UI rendering and interactivity. It features built-in widgets like sliders, buttons, and charts that update in real time as users interact. This makes it ideal for data scientists and analysts who want to prototype and share dashboards or machine learning demos rapidly. However, Streamlit's declarative style can limit UI customization and complex layouts, as it follows a linear script execution model. It is best suited for apps where ease of use and speed are priorities over intricate UI designs or custom components. NiceGUI is a Python framework that builds web apps with a focus on modern, flexible user interfaces. Unlike Streamlit, it leverages an event-driven architecture, enabling more dynamic and responsive interactions. NiceGUI integrates with Vue, JSS components under the hood, allowing developers to create sophisticated layouts and custom UI elements while still coding primarily in Python. This results in a more versatile framework capable of complex apps with responsive designs and real-time updates. NiceGUI supports features like dialogues, tabs, and notifications, giving developers a richer toolkit for professional-grade applications. Its trade-off is a steeper learning curve compared to Streamlit, requiring more familiarity with asynchronous programming and event handling. NiceGUI is ideal for developers who need advanced UI customization and want to build interactive apps that go beyond simple dashboards. Streamlit excels when you need to quickly build and deploy simple data-driven apps with minimal effort. It's perfect for prototyping internal tools or sharing machine learning models without worrying about front-end complexity. On the other hand, NiceGUI shines in projects demanding richer user experiences and UI customization, such as apps with dynamic navigation, modals, or complex event handling. While Streamlit's linear script flow makes it easy to learn, it can feel restrictive for more interactive or multi-page apps. NiceGUI's event-driven model offers flexibility, but requires more coding discipline and understanding of asynchronous events. Choosing between them depends on your project needs. Prioritize Streamlit for speed and simplicity, or pick NiceGUI for UI sophistication and control. Choose Streamlit if you want a fast, no-fuss way to create clean, interactive data apps without deep front-end knowledge or complex UI requirements. Opt for NiceGUI when your project demands advanced UI components and dynamic interactions with Python-driven flexibility. Both frameworks serve different purposes, so consider your app's complexity and customization needs to select the best Python UI framework for your development goals.